Well, hello everyone. May the 5th, 6th, sorry. Cinco de Mayo was yesterday. Cows are just up getting some water. Dogs are eating poop. Cats actually have come down to help us do chores. So we just got home from the Seattle area, Tacoma area. It was a long trip, fun, short, awesome seeing all the family and all that stuff. Check that valley out. Oh my goodness. It was a beautiful trip, man. There was some good weather over there for once. It's pretty nice. So Teresa's down here checking on the bees. Seen her raise the lid. I don't know what that's all.
Two came out, so I backed off.
Two came out. Oh, now they're coming out the front, babe.
They're all over.
Yeah.
Hope everything's okay in there. There's a lot of activity.
Look at the flowering tree. If I knew what that tree was, I would tell you. The other two are apple. This one over here is an apple tree. That's an apple tree. God, maybe that's a plum. I don't know. We haven't got any fruit on it yet. So, yeah, I think we spent the last 2 days driving. Not hardcore, but it's just a long trip when you do it so many times. So I think after this we're gonna chill. And tonight we're gonna make homemade hamburgers, and we're gonna have peanut butter on them, of all things. So apparently that's the new trend. We'll have to let you know how that goes. I love peanut butter and I love beef, so I'm just not sure about the mixture.
A lot of activity.
Yeah, a lot of activity.
Looks like all of my bees, so.
Good. All right, everyone healthy there, Mom?
Think so.
Yeah.
All the cows are accounted for. That's all I was worried about.
How about your ducks? What'd they produce?
How many? I didn't count. Did you?
I don't know. I don't know either.
There's a lot. We took all of our eggs over and gave them to family, which was like 5-6 dozen.
Yeah, 6 dozen.
Came back with none, and now we have eggs again.
I know we probably have, well, we had 6 chicken eggs, excuse me. And I busted one, so Numbnuts here. That one, she got to eat one. And duck eggs, I'm gonna say there was probably 14, I'm gonna guess. So yeah, we have eggs again. I might have an egg on the burger tonight, or this afternoon. So anyway, we'll tune you guys on and probably do something fun here after a while. Maybe not.
I'm gonna make a cocktail and go sit in my new chairs.
Oh, never mind. We're not gonna do, well, it's gonna be fun.
And maybe a fire.
And we're gonna do a fire. So we're not done camping yet, folks. Stay tuned. All right, here they are. The sunny side up duck egg. A little bit of pickles, cheese, lettuce. Let's just cut into that. What do you say? Can you guys see it okay?
And there's peanut butter on there, right? You forgot the peanut butter.
I forgot the peanut butter.
Pick up the butter.
Morning, everyone. It is Thursday today. Got some things on the agenda. It is supposed to be clear and 78 today or something like that, Teresa was saying. Doesn't look very clear. So I want to rototill the garden. If I can get the rototiller started. Then I got to deal with this camper here. Mower guy's supposed to be here this morning to get the mower running. Then I got to mow the yard. Yeah, whole bunch of stuff. So just trying to decide what to do first. So I guess I'll turn you on when I decide. I decided to take care of the camper first because there's some stuff in the garage that needs to be put back in the camper and out of my way. So looks like the camper's it. And I'm not gonna film it. Just dumping the gray. I'm not even sure if there's anything in the black, but anyway, that's not a picturesque moment thing. So yeah, we'll carry on with that. Well, that's all done. Now I need to take that up to the shop. Oh crap, I forgot the table. And then take the Jeep up there, unload the feed, put some of the other camping stuff in the Jeep, bring it down here, get that thing ready. Yeah, fun stuff. Phew, it's getting warm already. Frickin' dandelions. All right. I need to get an automatic door opener on this thing. It's a pain in the butt, but that's all right. Better things to spend the money on right now anyway. So, oh, your cat door busted. How the hell's that work? Look at that. Well, let me try to fix that. Hold on. There, fixed it. Might as well open both doors, I guess. I'm gonna set you guys here for now. Oh yeah. They want treats. All right, now this one. All the more reason to get a garage door opener. All right. Dang, I am missing a screen tent somewhere. Where the heck? That's canopy. We need it for bugs and everything else. Let's go up here and check it out. Oh, I think I found it. There she is. That's it, right? Yeah. Well, the cats have made a mess of this stuff. Sons of guns. Well, I guess I'll pick that up now. Hold on. Well, I think that's everything. Definitely a new cat. A new cat on the premises. I don't know what flavor you call it. Striped. There's Cleo. Or Chloe. Whichever one you want to call her. She goes by both. Never comes. That is Emmy. Ooh, look how pretty the flags are this morning. That's right. God bless our troops. Yeah. Wow. Very pretty. Well, still no lawn mower guy. 10:35. No show. So now, let's take the Jeep up there, spin her around, get rid of the feed, load up the other stuff, come back down here. Actually, I need to go inside real quick and see who our new pope is. Hold on. It's fixed. There she sits. $1,000 later, she's fixed. Dang, man. Being an adult homeowner, farm owner, whatever you want to call this day by day thing, some days it's just frustrating how much money it just takes to, well, to run things. It's just man, there's no breaks, it seems like some days. So now I'm gonna pick up dog poo and give this mower a test. We'll see how she does. That was a dirty mess. Dirty mess. But I got the driveway entrance, I got the lawn. It doesn't look fantastic, but it's cut nonetheless. And I noticed when I was out mowing, and you'll definitely not be able to see this, but right about in there is a sharp-shinned hawk, and it was there last year too, and it's guarding its nest. It's pretty cool. So I don't know how long it takes for the babies to get born, but I'll be on the lookout for them because those are pretty cute to watch. So anyway, I got the old trusty backpack sprayer out. Got some dandelions poking up all over the place. So I gotta take care of that. It's not gonna be today. Today, I'm done. I'm gonna go inside and shower. I feel disgusting. And I have training in an hour and a half. So look at, you can't even read my watch. Yeah. All right, time to go blow off all this stuff. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hello everyone. Friday, it's afternoon now. It's actually a pretty nice day out. Forgot my hat. So Teresa's home with me, and she's inside just chilling. We had to take her in this morning, and she had a little procedure done on her foot. Years ago, she had to get some plates and screws in her foot, and one was bugging her when she wore tennis shoes. So we took her in, and doctor just took the screw out, and it's a done deal. So I'm gonna get it on one last clip and then get the water on it. And I was thinking I should probably mow in here as well, and then rototill the garden. So let's see how far I get. Well, that was a dusty mess. Holy smokes. Look at me. Oh, here comes everyone wanting feed. Look at them. And them. I know, Rita. Alright, let's feed these guys and or grain them. These two are getting pretty used to being grained. Him especially. Which is fine. You guys let me know if they're about ready to run into me, would you? See? Told you. Don't trust a cow or a steer, especially when they're about to get treats. Alright, I'm going to set you guys up and you guys can watch. Well, that can, he sure is a spooky one. Never really got him to calm down much, but that's all right. He's gonna taste good. Well, let me throw a couple scoops to these guys. This is a mixture of 3-way with molasses. So basically corn oats, alfalfa pellets, and then cracked corn. Jimmy cracked corn because he don't care. And I have a bin out there that I usually dump this in, but I'm tired of opening and shutting the gates, so these guys are just gonna get what they get. Because normally I don't grain them. It's time for the other ones to fatten up. So here we go. There, they'll figure it out. That way everybody gets in there, gets their little fill. Even little babies are over there. And here's Dixie. She doesn't know what graining means yet. Jumpy little turd. All she knows is what mama's milk is. That's a good enough treat for her. What are you doing rolling around and stuff? let's go down and see if we can fire up that rototiller. That sucks some major league butt. Oh my gosh. You'd never know we had that much snow here. That's horrible. So I'm letting the tiller run out of gas, so it'll start again. But oh my gosh, that is super dry. Horrible. Unbelievable. And shoot, we're what? Mother's Day is this Sunday and it's Friday, so 11th of May. That's bad. So I got to put some water on it, and it's supposed to be nice again tomorrow, so hopefully tomorrow I can give it one more run. But man, I got to get some water on it. It's bad. So, and then after that, like Sunday it starts to cool down, Monday it starts to rain for 3 or 4 days, whatever. And then, and the lawn's dry. Having that mower busted kind of ruined everything. I mean, the lawn looks good from a distance, like from where you guys are sitting. But up close and personal, dry as a bone. I hope I can get it back. Well, I got all, well, not all, most of the sprinklers out. So this is what we do in the summertime instead of running underground sprinklers. And you know, oh, sorry. I guess there's times that I wish we had it underground sprinklers at this house, but you know, up here by the end of summer, everything's so dried up, and yeah, it's kind of useless. But I don't know, maybe that would be different if it was underground sprinklers. I don't know. Regardless, we don't have them, so this is what we do. Every spigot, sides, front, garden area. God, I got spider webs all over me. Gross. I'm short at least 2 hoses. I don't know what happened to them. Ah, dang, man. And yeah, so you know what they say, it's just money. So I'm gonna call it quits. I've had enough of the heat, the sun. So I'm gonna go inside and enjoy the rest of the day. Morning, everyone. We got eggs coming out of the duck coop. Look at that. One's already ready for us. So, let me think here. It's Saturday, day before Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Not much in store today. Got a buddy David coming over. Need some help putting a new grill or something on his truck, so we're gonna do that. And then my grandson Aiden is coming over, and he's gonna help supervise that whole thing. So yeah, just out here collecting eggs, feeding, watering, all that kind of stuff. Teresa is healed up well. She's still healing, but she's pretty much done. So she's up in the garage, sweeping the garage out and blowing dust and all that kind of stuff. So I think we'll just end the video here. Upcoming, we're probably gonna go camping. I know on Thursday we're heading back to the property in Idaho for the annual boat races over there. So I'll be sure to video that. That's a lot of fun. Big engines, fast boats, everything a guy dreams about. So, and probably girls. So anyway, we'll end it. So thanks again for watching, everyone. Certainly do appreciate it. And until the next video, we'll talk to you then.